Hola chica. Yeah, I'm Grace and OFW here in Spain. So ngayon kakain muna ako ng breakfast. Actually uh, I eat 2 times a day. Now it's time here in Spain is coming 10 in the morning. So my work start 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. So I eat 2 times a day only. But don't worry guys. Sanay na ako dyan. Hindi din naman ako nagugutom. That's why I eat, maybe sometimes I eat 11 a.m. Yeah. My ulam for today is beef curry and fish. Yes. Yeah. I use my hand to eat, but don't worry guys. Before I eat, I wash my hand many times. So, it's clean. I'm sorry. It's clean. And sa bahay, sanay lang talaga ako. Gamitin yung kamay ko magkain. I mean, magkakamay, kumain. Like that. Pero sa restaurant naman, no. Of course. We need to use utensils. Kasi nakakahiya. In a private, public, you eat in public. Many people watching you. Then you use your hand. No. Only in the house I use. Yeah. Kasi poor lang naman ako. Yeah, I'm poor. Very poor. Nagtatrabaho lang ako to get a money. Yeah, that's it guys. Magmumukbang tayo, char. Alam mo guys, storytelling lang tayo, no? Actually, I'm from Kuwait. More than 8 years ako doon. Yeah. And now, I live in Spain, coming 1 year. Talagang, kung papipiliin talaga ako, if I choose, Kuwait or Spain, of course. 100% Spain. I choose Spain country. Why? Because parang same lang din. Parang you live in your own country. Same you live in the Philippines. You have a lot neighbor Filipinos. Yeah. And you can go in your neighbor to make marites. But no, I'm not like that. I'm not marites. I'm just a simple girl. Yeah. Before I work, I go in the house. Yeah. Eating, then sleep. Like this. See in YouTube in my mobile. I'm happy and contented like that. Yeah, before that, my life in Kuwait is so not so bad. Yeah. Because my employer in Kuwait is good. They are good at me. Yung baba ko, kahit sobrang liit ko talaga sa personal. Alam mo yun? Sobrang liit ko sa personal talaga. Isang tapon mo lang sa akin. Yung amo ko kasi na lalaki, parang may time na naglalandi na siya. Pero, the reason is, kasalanan din naman ng kasama ko dati. Yeah. Kasalanan niya kasi, syempre, di ba, alam mo namang, yung tigang, tigang na kasi yung kasama ko, so alam yun, nagbo-boyfriend siya. Nakita siya ng amo ko na sumakay sa car. So, my employer, maybe he think that all Filipina like this, have a family in the Philippines, have husband, children, and kung magpupunta dito sa abroad, single, malandi, mukhang pera, na, yeah. Kaya ganun yung amo ko, but my employer, actually takot yung amo ko sa akin, takot yung amo ko lalaki, yeah. Kasi feeling niya talaga, hindi ako talaga maisi-isi. Alam niya talaga nga kung may gagawin siya sa akin, magsusumbong ako sa amo ko na babae. Parang may ganun siya na hindi niya ako maganon-ganon. Kaya kung minsan malalaman yung mga kasama ko sa Kuwait dati, maano ko na lang mag-iiyak. So magsasabi sila sa akin ganun. Pero yung family ko talaga, they don't know a lot about what happened my life in Kuwait. They know already that my employer is good. But yeah, it's good. My madam is good. My baba is good. But may time lang talaga na ganun kasi kasalanan din naman ng kapwa nating Pilipina. Kaya ganun. Actually, more 8 years na din ako sa kanila. Yung trabaho ko doon, nag-aalaga ako ng bata. Nga now, yung panganay na inalagaan ko, 9 years na siya. At yung last na inalagaan ko, twins baby, 1 boy and 1 girl. Mahal na mahal ko talaga sila, and sobrang na-miss ko na sila, and I always text my madam that I miss the kids. Yeah. But now, yeah, I move on now. I move on. I love them, but not like before. Of course, I love my children more. Pero di mo siya maalis sa puso mo talaga, nga napamahal mo na yung mga alaga mo, di ba? Yeah. Kaya yung ano talaga, yung sa Kuwait pa ako, yung parang Pilipina, ano ba yun? Filipina girl talaga, yung syempre, di ba, alam mo naman na Kuwait country, Arab country is conservative, lalo na sa mga damit, sa looks, yun, ganun. But I understand naman. Na-enjoy ko din naman, not 100%, not 100% na naging masaya ako sa Kuwait. Yeah. I have there a lot of friends also, yeah. I miss them. But I have there a friend na alam na, totoo or hindi totoo, plastic, backstabber, char. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Next time ulit, magmamarites tayo. Bye.